What does milking cows have to do with trading? More than you might think. Let me show you. If you've been watching this channel for a while, you know that I used to share my life on the farm with our family, milking our cows, making cheese, just building our homestead. But then life changed and we had to give up the farm when we moved, and the new land couldn't support the cows. And I miss them every single day. Man, do I miss them. But when the farm was gone, I needed something new to pour my time and energy into. Something that would still let me build something, grow something, and create the future for my family. Is what I set out to do originally. And funny enough, trading became that next thing. Now, before you think I went from milking cows to clicking buttons on the screen overnight, let me just stop you right there. I've always been interested in trading, investing, but I never had the time to really focus on it because, well, farm chores don't wait. So when the farm life ended, I finally had a chance to go all in. And what I realized was the skills that I learned as a farmer made me a better trader. Farming teaches you patience. You don't plant seeds today and harvest tomorrow. You don't have a calf born today and have milk come out tomorrow. Trading is the same way. You have to wait for the right setup, the right conditions. You have to wait for your work, your hard work to come to fruition. And farming teaches you risk management. You don't put all your money into one crop and rely on one good season. A smart trader does the exact same thing, never risking everything on one trade, always managing risk. That's basically what farm life is managing risk. And discipline, oh my goodness, every farmer knows you rarely ever feel like getting up at 5 a.m. to milk the cows, but you do it anyway because the cows need milking every single day. Trading works the same way. Success isn't about feelings. It's about sticking to a plan. It's about consistency, doing the same thing every day. And that's when it hit me. This wasn't something new. This was just a new way to apply the skills that farming taught me, to apply what I already knew. So why am I telling you this? Because I know that a lot of you watching this are hardworking people who want a better future for your families, just like I did. Maybe you love farming. Maybe you just love the idea of working for yourself, being outdoors. Or maybe you're just looking for a way to create a more financial stability without having to rely on your boss or your job or the economy or factors outside of your control. Maybe you are looking for that financial freedom for your family. That's why I started my new channel, Godly Trading. It's where I teach simple, practical strategies to help regular people just like you and me, learn to trade safely and wisely, all of it rooted in biblical principles. Now, this is not gambling. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is real, smart, strategic trading, all done in a way that pleases and honors God. So if you're curious, come check out Godly Trading. Just click on this link right here on the screen. And before you go, drop me a comment below. I would love to know if you could take one skill from farm life and apply it to something new, what would it be? I would generally love to hear your thoughts on that. So guys, thanks for being part of this entire farm journey with me, and I'll see you over on the new channel.